To clean the throttle body on an M156 motor, take any kind of throttle body cleaner, then take a sponge and then soak the sponge in the throttle body cleaner, and then you're going to need to have really skinny hands to reach in behind there. And then what you do basically is you take the sponge and you reach in there, and you'll feel the throttle body itself, and you'll just touch it with your fingers. And then with the sponge, what you can do is it'll actually help you clean it there. And you can also clean that sensor right there with a mass airflow sensor cleaner.